Next, we are going to study about the muscle tissues. So, muscle tissues are the specialized tissues which are special for contraction. The cells are elongated and are also known as muscle fibers. They contain the contractile proteins, actin and myosin, which interact to shorten and elongate the cells. These are three different types of muscle tissue, that is cardiac, skeletal and smooth. We are going to study each cell type one by one. First is skeletal muscle. It is a muscle that is composite and are very much attached to the bones, and contraction of these muscles generate body movements. For example, limb movement, jaw movement, breathing and etc. The skeletal muscle fibers are long and cylindrical with multiple periphery located nuclei. The cells have striations, alternating light and dark bands that results from the ordered arrangement of actin and myosin within the cell. The next we are going to study is the cardiac muscle, this structure. So the cardiac muscle is the muscle which is present in the heart. Cells are striated, but the striations are less obvious than in skeletal muscle tissue. The cells are shorter than skeletal muscle fibers and have a single nucleus and are often branched. The individual cells are connected via gap junctions and desmosomes. These cellular connections are visible under the microscope as dark bands called intercalated discs. These cellular communication junctions are necessary for the coordinated beating of the heart. The next is smooth muscle. So this smooth muscle are mostly composites and are present in the artery, vein and nerve cells. Smooth muscle tissue is found in the walls of hollow organs such as gastrointestinal tract, blood vessels and the urinary bladder. Contractions of these muscles propel food and materials through the organs. The organs like the food through the GI tract, blood through the blood vessel and urine pushed out of the bladder. Smooth muscle cells are not striated, therefore the name is smooth. They have a single nucleus and have tapered ends, which examine that the smooth muscles are on the blood vessels. In the blood vessels, there is a layer of smooth muscle deep into the epithelial layer. It is thicker on the artery than on the vein, but these are visible on both the types of the blood vessels.